students, hope you have revised the concept discussed in previous class. Now on the basis of that, we are going to solve our worksheet number 1 of chapter 8. Question 1. Mark a point in your notebook and draw a line passing through it. Let us mark a point. Now draw a line passing through it. How many lines can you draw passing through this point? If I try to draw one line, I can draw. If I want to draw one more, I can draw one more line. Again, one more line. It means in the same way, it is possible to draw many lines. So, the question is, how many lines can you draw passing through this point? So, we will write here, we can draw many lines passing through a given point. Next, mark any 2 points in notebook. Let us mark. Now draw a line which is passing through both of these points. Right? How many such lines can you draw passing through these two given points? We have discussed in our previous lecture that from two given points it is possible to draw only one line. So, we will write here, we can draw only one line passing through two given points. Now, question number 3 and 4 you will do yourself in your book. I will discuss with you later if you will feel any problem in solving. Now, question number 5. In the given figure, write all the pairs of parallel lines. We have studied about the parallel lines which do not meet anywhere. So, in the figure we can say L, M, N are parallel lines. So, L, this is the symbol for parallel, then M, and M is again parallel to N. Or you can write L parallel M parallel N, and N parallel to L. Better it is to write in this way. Second question. The lines whose point of intersection is E means from point E which two lines are passing. This is line R and from here this is line N. So I should write here N R. One set of 4 collinear points means the points which are passing through the same line like G, F, E and D. So, I will write here G, F, E, D. If I observe A, B, C, D, all these also lie in this line. So, I can write here A, B, C, D also. Okay. Next, any 4 pairs of intersecting lines. Like, see here, this is line L and this is line R. These are intersecting. So, write here LR. Next, line M and R. Similarly, observe line N and R and also T and R. Clear? I have written all answers here. Now, the point of intersection of lines M and T. See line M. Here is line M and here is line T. These are meeting at point B. Now point of intersection of lines R and T. See, this is R and T meeting at point D. Now question number 6. A, B, C are 3 points in a plane. Join them in pairs. How many lines can you get if A, B, C are collinear? If the points are collinear, it means if I try to draw a line, I can draw only one line. So I will write here one line. And if the points are non-collinear, like here A, B and C, if I join these in this way, I will get how many lines I can see now? 3. Okay. Now question number 7. We are given lines L, M and N are congruent. So draw 3 lines in this way that they are passing through the same point. Also lines R, L and M are congruent. It means R line is passing through the point of intersection of L and M. So I should draw my line R from here. Now R, L and M are congruent. Now the question is, draw a figure and state whether R, L, M and N are congruent or not. We can see these are congruent. So we will write here lines L, M, N and R are congruent. Clear? Next question, it's the most important question and very easy also. Listen carefully. In this figure, name lines congruent at point A. When 3 lines are passing through a point, then the lines are said to be congruent. I can see from here R, N and observe carefully. From this line R, this is line N and this one is line M. So these are the lines congruent at point A. All set of collinear points. Observe this line A, F, B, set number 1. A, G, D. Next A, E, C. Any other option? Yes. B, G, E. Next B, D, C. One more F, G, C. So there are total 6 lines or and 6 sets are there. Now the answer of part C here, lines congruent at point G. From point G, line R, line Q and line P are passing. That is P, Q, R. Point of intersection of 3 lines L, P and M. See here. This is the point C. All points that lie in this plane. Point A, B, C, D, E, F and G. 2 pairs of intersecting lines. That is where only 2 lines are passing. Here this is line L and this is line R. So write here L and R. One more I can see here, point E. This is line Q and this is line M. So I can write here M and Q. Okay. Now last question of the worksheet number 1. In the given figure, name the lines congruent at D and B. First of all, at point D. See the figure. At point D, these three lines are passing. So write here L, M and N. And from point B, this is point B, line Q. This is line L and this is line R. Q, L and R. Right? Now point of concurrence of lines AD, AB and AC. This is point A. Now your worksheet number 1 is complete. Now this worksheet 1 should be completed in your homework notebook. Complete worksheet of chapter 8 in homework notebook, and I have left 2 questions there, that was 3 and 4. If still you are not having your books with you, you can see question 3 and 4. These 2 you will do yourself. Okay, thank you.